Okay, how are you? How's everybody doing? Why don't we talk about the Dow Jones Industrial Average, right? The reason I want to talk about the Dow or the US 30, however you want to call it, however, chart is in front of your eyes. This is the CFDs on the Dow. That's why I'm looking at the US 30. This should be the hourly chart. Now, the reason that I dig this idea is because, well, I haven't told you the idea just yet. So the idea is here is Dow Longs, right? And not only today, but basically for a possible reversal. Now, first of all, let's have a look at this great and amazing level that the Dow is trading in. I don't like zooming in on the chart, so why don't we go to the 2-day chart, 3-day chart? That's it. Because I like thick candlesticks. So basically, we are retesting what seems to be, no, not what seems to be. We are retesting those highs pre-pandemic, right? This is the pandemic crash and these are the pandemic lows. This is the post-pandemic recovery. This is all-time highs, and we have retraced back to those pre-pandemic highs. You see the cycle here, right? I'm joking, but just to say the least, this is an amazing level to be trading from. I can't even call it midterm. The right now the market is bearish, very bearish, in the sense that you can see every monthly low we are making lower monthly lows and lower monthly highs. I'm sorry, and lower monthly lows. This is super bearish, and we have done this since the beginning of the year in January. This is January highs and all-time highs. So we've spent the past 6 months in a bear market. That's right, friends. But this is very pullback in the sense, pullbacky, in the sense that the only we've only had two real push to the downside. This one right here and the last one towards this level. What I also dig about this is that, no, the daily chart is that price has broken with May lows, right? We have still to break with this big level here, which are this is March and April lows, I reckon. No, February and March lows, these two lines. So this is the level that buyers need to break with in order for me to really start putting in some money at risk along the Dow. Having said that, I am long Dow now, full disclosure, and this is the 4-hour chart on the Dow. What I like about this is that, like I told you before, we are above May lows. And yesterday, the Dow broke with the previous highs, continuing with the short-term bullish structure right here. And it broke with what seems to, I don't trade inverted head and shoulders, cup and handles or whatever, but this seems to be a kind of a reversal structure being broken with. So let's see what momentum brings early in the New York session, which brings in about an hour, and let's wait and see what pre-market volume also brings, right? On the short term, this is the hourly chart. Same thing, same fucking thing. We are also what I dig about the short-term chart is that today during the London session, price really broke with this red zone, which is yesterday and Wednesday's highs that was capping the upside in this market, and the price is really holding above this, printing new daily highs at every single push. So everything points out as further continuation to the upside. Let's wait and see. Remember to be part of the VIP group where you can get my trades and all of this for free. No, well, not for free, for a monthly fee. Cheers.